Let's use the pivot table builder to analyze sales performance by deal age and import data from Salesforce. Now that we have our data, let's calculate the age of each deal. Now that I have deal age, I'll analyze the data using the pivot builder. Next, a pivot to count the total number of deals in each stage. Last, let's group deals by stage in a specific range of deal age. First, let's make those custom ranges using the formula builder. Lastly, group deals by stage and specific range of deal age. Here we use Pivot Table Builder to analyze sales performance by deal age and stage.